Hi, everybody. This is Jeremy. Today, we're going to talk about RoboTax. You see, there's a field here where it says loss with RoboTax and there's $0. What exactly does that mean? Well, we're kind of teasing our next software product. We have patented software called RoboTax. And what RoboTax does is it'll look through all of your transaction history and it will find and claim these tax deductions. So from a previous video, you know that in order to not lose money on this trade, you need to claim a $6,600 tax deduction. If you do that, then you won't incur these ordinary and qualified income losses over here. All right. RoboTax is tax software. It's super easy to use. It's an end of year process that brokers and custodians, asset managers can use to deliver investors a fair and accurate tax return. Right now, this is just a fact. Every single 1099 DIV produced overstates an investor's taxable income. It's just a fact. Any accountant will tell you that this is true. If you've bought a security and you've earned a dividend in a taxable account, at the end of the year, your tax return is going to be wrong. You will pay more taxes than you owe. At FairShares, we think this is wrong. We believe that investors, at the very, very least, deserve an accurate tax form. And RoboTax, that's what RoboTax delivers, is accurate taxation. Okay? We are trying to convince financial services firms to use RoboTax to get you an accurate tax return right out of the gate. However, you know, that's a slow process. A lot of firms don't think these tax losses are a big deal. So we are working hard to deliver RoboTax direct to consumer so that we could work with individuals to amend their incorrect tax forms and get their money back from the government. Just so you're all aware, it is unconstitutional for the government to overtax its citizens. There's something called due process, which means that the government has to show or prove that they have the legal authority to take that money from you. And since there's no income here, there can't be an income tax. So one of FairShare's goals is to use RoboTax to amend every single previously filed 1099 tax return on record. Now, we can go back 3 years. That's what the law says. We can go back 3 years. But our position is since these losses and overtaxation were no fault of the investor, you didn't create these 1099s, that we should be able to go back further. So that's a long-term goal for FairShares is to be able to amend all these tax returns and to get all your money back. So stay tuned on RoboTax. Coming soon. We're working very, very hard to bring that to you. In the meantime, you can use DistributionRisk analytics to manage your risk. If you want to stay up to date on what FairShares is doing, when RoboTax is going to be released, when we're releasing new product functionality for DistributionRisk analytics, we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the bell so you can be notified. And also give us a follow on Twitter at FairShares Inc. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your help and support, your advice and your feedback. And we look forward to continuing to produce products that protect investors and help them keep more of what they earn.